Hey guys, just a quick video. This is popcorn and we grew corn shoots. This is just normal popcorn you get in the store. This is a black one my wife uses, but you can use just normal popcorn. And we just grew some corn shoots. This is less than a week. And this is what you want. You don't want it to grow like your microgreens up here, right? Or the pea shoots. You want the green on those, right? This is where you want to go ahead and stop. So this just took about 5 or 6 days. We'll take you in close. You can see all the popcorn in there. And the roots, we grew this just like we grew our bean sprouts, right? Have a little bit of water in the bottom. This one's got holes in it, so the water drains, so the water doesn't sit in there and cause mildew problems. The water drains out into the bottom. The roots go down there looking for it, just like our bean sprouts. But this is where you want to go ahead and take them. You can see they're just starting to turn green, right? I don't like them turning green just like this. I pulled one of these off just a second ago and ate it, and it is sweet as candy. So it tastes like sweet corn, like the sweetest corn you've ever had. So go ahead and give this a try. That's something cool. You can try this with your kids. If kids grab that and eat it, it's sweet. They're going to have a ball. If they grab broccoli and eat it, they're going to hate you for life, right? But just kidding. Here's all kinds of cool stuff, peas and that, but we'll talk about all that. I just wanted to show you guys this real quick because these are ready to go, and we've got more of these soaking. You can go ahead and harvest these, have some more ready to go back behind of it, and we've got the whole system just starting. We're starting with microgreens, and you can see we're getting ready to plant some of these out. We're going to plant that out too, so lots of stuff coming. Oh, and did I mention this is totally in the dark? You don't want to expose this to light. As soon as you do, they'll turn green. This was grown totally like this down here in the dark. Down here hiding out with the bean sprouts. No light. So this is a cool little spot down here. We got more down there. But don't let those get any light. They'll turn green. They'll taste like grass. Try that out. Easy to do. No nutrients. Couple of days, you've got your sweet corn shoots. Go try some popcorn.